These are always popular here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1967 Plymouth GTX two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal GTX. Rebuilt 440 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, 3-speed automatic to be exact. Nicely equipped car. Power steering, power brakes, AC functions. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. You can see there is a little bit of pitting in this chrome bumper. Point that out in a few little spots here. Nothing that's going to stop you from driving this car, enjoying it, showing it off, taking it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, the undersides, interior, every angle, the trunk. Check out all those still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Bright blue metallic car originally. As you can see, it's riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. This one will definitely turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console car. As you can also see, it does have the fender mounted turn signal indicators. When you look in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see exactly how this car was equipped. We did some decoding of the fender tag. And there's also a partial build sheet from underneath the seat. We'll have that in the still pictures also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We get a look on the rear bumper. As you can see, dual exhaust. A few extra parts that will come along with this, as you can see. Drilled and slotted rotors. A couple new chrome exhaust tips. Some exhaust brackets or hangers. And we will put those back in the trunk and send them along with the car for the next owner. A few things the technicians noted: it does have a fresh oil change. Brakes are 90% or better. Underneath the hood, MSD ignition. Heater core is bypassed. And we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Mopars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor, of course. As you can see, the car has a nice stance to it. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Again, black vinyl. There's the seat belts are intact, door panels. A little bit of wear down on the side of the seating surface. And you'll be able to see the interior from every angle in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Look at the top of the dash. A little bit of separating in the vinyl there. Headliner looks good, visors intact, dome light working. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Good sounding 440. The 440 has been rebuilt, and in a folder that will go along with the vehicle, there is some miscellaneous info on the engine build too. I know there's some cam info in there and some different readings as far as when it was rebuilt, so I will include that in with the folder and send it along with that partial build sheet and the decoding of the fender tag. All right, let me pause this 1 second real quick. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end, take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how this goes down the road. Underside of the hood, and engine bay, there it is, 440 V8, and again, very nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. It's like a newer alternator also. That MSD ignition we mentioned a little earlier. Good looking engine bay. So there you go, Mopar fans. 1967 Plymouth GTX 2-door hardtop, real deal GTX. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics, undersides, trunk, interior, engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Plymouth GTX. Looking great, blue with some black accents. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Our turn signal indicator is working on the dash and on the fender. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Very nice acceleration, smooth throttle response, nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Factory horn is working on this car. Our wipers also work, and the blower motor does blow air as well. Do not see it counting the seconds, but there's a clock down here. The alternator gauge is showing that we're charging above halfway on the gauge. Now the fuel gauge is showing E, and the temperature gauge is showing cold. Can't vouch for those two. Been running long enough, it should be up on the gauge a little on the temperature. Bucket seats in this car. That, again, center console with storage. Interior looking pretty good. There's a crack here and here in the dash pad. The headliner, for the most part, looks pretty good. Brakes are working as they should. Power feels like power steering. Let's wait a little longer to decide that. Oh yeah, we got power steering, and it is working very well. Corners nicely. Stays pretty flat in the corners. It's not that heavy of a car, which definitely helps. And yeah, throttle response, very good. Fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Plymouth GTX at UniqueClassicCars.com.